Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to transfer from KuCoin to Coinbase. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So for this, all you gotta do is simply tap open your Coinbase and your KuCoin both. So once you have opened it, as you are transferring your assets to Coinbase, you have to go through your assets in KuCoin and then select transfers. Simply check with the KuCoin support team to guide you through the navigation and transfer from their platform to the other platform. However, on the other hand, to locate your Coinbase address, log into your Coinbase account and simply go to the receive section. Once you have done this, select the cryptocurrency you wish to receive from KuCoin. Copy your Coinbase wallet address for that specific cryptocurrency and paste it in your KuCoins. So once you have done this, you will be able to transfer your asset to your Coinbase. So I hope you found this video helpful. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.